Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Creatio CRM with SSO using Okta. Full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Creatio CRM with single sign-on using Okta, start by logging into your Okta admin dash. In the Okta dashboard, select the Applications section from the top menu. Click on the Add Application button to begin the integration process. In the application search bar, type SAML 2.0 and choose the option labeled SAML 2.0. Click the Next button to proceed to the configuration settings. In the General Settings tab, provide a name for your application, such as Creatio CRM. You may also upload a logo if desired for branding purposes. Once complete, click Next to move to the SAML settings section. In the single sign-on URL field, input the URL where Creatio CRM will receive SAML assertions. This URL typically has the format https://your_creatio_instance/SAML/SSO. In the audience URI, SP entity ID field, use the same URL or a unique identifier that matches your configuration. Ensure that the default relay state is left blank unless specifically needed for your setup. In the Name ID format dropdown, choose the format that suits your organization's user identifiers. Commonly used formats include email address. Next, scroll down to the Attribute Statements section. Here, click Add Attribute to map user attributes from Okta to Creatio CRM. Enter email for the name and select user.email from the corresponding field. Add another attribute by clicking Add Attribute again, and input first name with user.firstname. Repeat once more for the last name, entering last name as the name and user.lastname as the value. After entering all required attributes, click on Next to review your settings. If everything appears correct, click the Finish button to save your application. Next, you will be redirected to the application dashboard. Locate the Sign-On tab and find the View Setup Instructions link. Copy the identity provider metadata URL provided in this section. Now, switch to your Creatio CRM instance and log in as an administrator. Navigate to the System Designer. In the System Settings menu, find the Authentication section. Select SAML Authentication and paste the metadata URL into the appropriate field. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.